Good wishes, dear students. In this part, we will discuss lesson 2 only, the basic economic problem, in which we have discussed three basic problems of economy: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. In this, economic goals and societal values are there while solving these three economic problems. Society itself decides how to solve that problem. Now for this, economic has certain goals. Few are here. First is economic efficiency. That is making the most of resources without waste in an economic goal. Without wasting resources, because as you know, resources are scarce and needs are unlimited. So we have to implement our resources in such a way that it meets our needs. So economic efficiency, economy, all in an economy, all the process should be very efficient to utilize these resources in a very possible way. Second is economic freedom. To entrepreneurs to take risks and make choices to start various business. Entrepreneurs are the person who starts a business, or you can say suppliers. Their main problem is that they have to produce goods in such a way that should not be wasted. They are taking risks. So entrepreneurs' main thing is that they are taking the risks, and thus their advantage is to earn profit. Here, in every economy, suppliers need economic freedom. Economic freedom, when government will give them freedom, then only they will be free to supply the things or to produce the things. So, economic goal of every country is to give them all these things: economic efficiency, economic freedom. Third is economic security. Now these entrepreneurs, they are investing a huge amount in business, and for this they are taking a great risk. Hence, they require security also. Security, having a safety net that protects individuals in a time of economic disaster. Nowadays, whole world is facing the problem of coronavirus, all of you know, and which has made our economic shutter. Every economy of every country is going very down. GDP growth rate are nil. National income is nil. So here, this phase is also of economic disaster. Hence, every entrepreneurs need economic security which they desire from the government or from the economy of a country. So, economic goal is to provide economic security also. Now, fourth point is economic equity, a fair distribution of wealth. This also becomes the responsibility of government to distribute wealth in an equitable way, in an equal way, so that there should be no disadvantages with any entrepreneurs of wealth. Thus, government draft their taxation policy in such a way as to give equal advantages to entrepreneurs. So they require economic security, economic equity. Now, fifth point is economic growth and innovation. Innovation means new ideas, bringing new ideas. So here they have this much liberty and advantages that they should use new ideas of creating goods and services, means commodities, taking together goods and services, to growth and a higher standard of living and development. Now this development, when they will get this liberty to use different innovative ideas, when they will have the advantages of equity, security, freedom, when they will get, automatically standard of living of the people, workers who are working in a factory, and even the society, their standard of living will increase. Automatically that country will develop. So main thing of every economy is to focus on industrialization as well as agriculture sector also. Okay, so different sectors are there in an economy that we will discuss in our next part. Here main economic goal and societal values are economic efficiency, economic freedom, economic security, economic equity, economic growth and innovation. Okay students, thank you so much.